That's what I said. So.
Is there another battery in the box?
Yeah. There's 1. 3 more to go.
See this? I'm just gonna cut out the audio and put music.
Yeah. That'd be nice. So, when are you gonna start
Editing?
working on cars? Just saying.
When I get my own car?
No, well, you need to learn from here.
Exactly. My own car is gonna be like an experiment. I'm gonna get the cheapest bug I can find and mod
You
it
heard that, Carlos?
so many times.
He's gonna get the cheapest bug. You're not recording anymore?
I am recording.
You need to watch what you record. He said he's gonna get the cheapest bug, Carlos. Yeah. To fix it up.
And I'm gonna put nitrous on it. On a bug. Nitrous on a bug.
You still gonna make it a...
Have you ever seen a tall guy, bro, in a small car?
I have. So you make it a convertible. Your head sticking out the top, bro. You like one big go-kart, man. My girl likes those bugs.
They're nice.
I want to move them for her. For some reason, these things are dirty.
The what? The springs?
Yeah.
Es que no los topamos.
They got cardboard, bro. Like,
Cardboard?
yeah, a piece of cardboard stuck to them.
There's the degreaser, right there. Yep.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Okay, there it is. That part's done.
I don't know. He's been MIA lately.
You know what we should do? We should do some VR horror games. Later in the gaming channel.
You want to hear somebody scream like a girl? Oh man. Yeah, that'd be nice.
I've seen some of them, they're pretty...
What's up?
All right, this is the last one, and these are ready. New valve springs, valve stem seals, and she's ready. How far in do they have to go? Yeah. Put that over here.
Disculpas.
It's gonna go up twice, eh?
It's going up. Ya me lo llega.
One more. And that should be top to tenor. Right, somewhere there.
Más. Ahí casi está.
Yeah, ahí está. Brake cleaner or something.
¿Brake cleaner?
Or carb clean. Ahí dejé uno afuera, right next to the garage. Just in case there's any oil. Stretch bolt or stretch belt. Oh, venga, esa mamá.
¿Qué pasó?
It's supposed to stretch, huh?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Yeah, I don't know, but I think they lied. Stretch fit. Oh, leave it out in the sun, bro.
Alright, let's put the head on.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, that's it.
¿Es la otra? No se metió.
I don't know. What do you think, Josiah? Think it went in? You see a gap back there? It looks clean from the top.
Yeah, it does look clean from the top. I think it did win in.
Let's get a couple bolts on that one. Let me put this side in a vez. Yeah. And just hold that wire. Oh, actually, is it clean?
Huh?
Is it clean? Yeah, it's clean.
Dun, 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 dun.
All right.
Good?
Yep.
You want the tornillos?
Jesus.
I'll get it right now.
I'm gonna bring that at Josiah. ¿Ya te llegó el fuel o todavía no?
Nope.
Neta.
Mm-hmm.
When it was supposed to be here.
This month, I'm gonna have to call that on Monday. It's acting, huh?
Yep.
Pero ya. Primero se acaba esta chingadera, güey.
What size is that?
¿Esta?
Yeah.
15. You want to go behind me and take them down? I'm just gonna snug them up.
And snug them up. Start from the middle, work your way out.
You're checking the heads, Thompson.
It's a 22. This one's got a fucking weird pattern. 6.